Holds 4 cups, 32 ounces. Made from silicone. Heat resistant to 465 F, 240 C. Firm and flexible. Squeeze sides together to form a spout for precise pouring. Smooth inside for easy, no spill pouring, textured outside for extra grip. Hand washing recommended. Norpro Silicone measuring stir and pour measure 4 cups, flexible, dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. It measures accurately. I saw some older reviews that commented it wasn't accurate, but I thought I'd give it a shot and maybe they've fixed some problem or something, but the one I got measured fine. I tested it with measuring 400 milliliters in a media bottle, poured that in without holding the plastic measuring container at all. Just let it fill its natural form and it was right at 400 milliliters, so I poured in another 400 milliliters and it was still accurate reading right at 800 milliliters. I just unboxed it 5 minutes ago and wanted to be sure to test that because of the older reviews. I can't really comment on any other features function yet, but the measuring marks seem to be accurate and consistent with other measuring equipment.